Hello friends, how are you? I'm fine. Welcome back to Kosha Show. Today we are going to a resort. The selected person from our apartment are going to a RD resort. See, everyone are dancing. We are in a bus. Everyone are dancing. It's a 1.5 hour trip like in the bus. See, now we are doing Secret Santa who will give me gift. There is Vaibhav, there is Lekhan, there is Nidhi auntie, there is Vanilla auntie. Everyone are there. See, now we are opening. You can see our gifts. And yes, now me, Vaibhav and Lekhan are seeing inside. There are so many ducks there. We both are seeing to do. We are playing also. Now we are going there. We are doing a park over. Yeah. See, now we are jumping up and down. That's our trampoline. We are jumping up and down. You can see we are having fun. Yep, now we are doing this parkour thing. And I'm going behind Lekhan. Oh, I fell down. Lekhan also. Now we are going. I'll try to do this. Let's go. I passed. Now I'll do the second level. Second level is the easiest. Now I'm doing this thing in which we were doing trampoline. Actually, it was not trampoline. It's this climbing thing. You can see I can already climb till there. Now, oh, that was fun. I came in 200 km/h speed or what? Now I'll climb this in the tree. Well, let's see how much can I climb. Oh, I'm going to reach the top. My legs are hurting very badly. Let's see. I reached the top and I came down back again. And me, Lekhan are having fun in this water thing. And you can see us. So me and Lekhan are doing this thing, and Vaibhav also joined us. It's so fun. Now I'm going to do. See, you can see me. It's so fun. I was so scared. But now we are doing that lake boating. You can see so many ducks. They're swimming. Now see, this is the bull ride. Oh, it's so scary. You'll fall down in this. See, I fell down once. You'll get 2 turns. See, now I'll put my legs in this fish thing. You can see how many came in my mother's, and this is my. So less, but it's satisfying. It's so cool. And you can see how many are there because her legs are dirty. That's why mine are clean. And now we are going to eat a lunch. You can see mast chicken biryani are there, rice is there. You can see this. Noodles. Ice cream is also there. And here comes chole, paneer, so many things, raita. And now you see everyone are taking in a line. This is something red. And these are salad types. This is the chicken part, biryani, dum biryani. Then this is the mutton biryani. I'm taking the dum biryani right now. So tasty. It's so cool. See, I'm eating. Can see me eating. So good. I drank a bit water. Now I'm going to shoot. Shooting we are doing. We'll shoot on the bottle we have to do. See, one shot I did. And now we are doing the rain turns, and now we came to the top of the mountain, and you can see us in the top of the mountain. And now I'm going down from the mountain, from the top of the mountain. It's so cool. Behind me is Vaibhav. It's so cool from the top of the mountain. So friends, I hope you like this vlog. If you like this vlog, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So friends, wait for my new video. Till then, take care and bye bye.